would like to give a special thanks to Neon Cowboys for sending a few items to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was on Amazon and I saw these cute little tube dresses at 6 dresses for $9.99. That comes out to be about $1.67 per dress. Hold on, I gotta set up the closet for this. With our new vanity, in case you were wondering, the closet is in our Cruella video, and the vanity is in our vanity video. Now for the dresses. They come in a vacuum-sealed bag. They are made out of the same material as some of the tops we've been finding on Amazon. You know, these. They usually have a little gather at the chest, but I removed it. But I really like that they are using this fabric for other pieces so we can mix and match, hopefully. These dresses are not a straight tube. I put the back seam on the side so you can see the shape. It goes in at the waist, then out, then in again. And they're not consistent. Some are slightly smaller than others. But this is just my experience and yours could be different. The pink dress can fit a curvy. It's simple but looks great. Here's the back. It's not pulling too much, but there's not a lot of wiggle room for the legs, so she can't walk. But you know, I don't think that's really a concern. We can add the shirt if you want to give her some sleeves for an absolutely adorable look. I kinda love it. It's pretty easy to make a tube dress. If you find the right headband, you can make a similar look or find fabric. I just get excited when we find a deal where we don't have to do a bunch of work. If we tuck the ribbons in, we can use the tube dress as a long skirt. Mine does go down a little in the back, but it's not terrible. Here's the dress on a classic Barbie or original Barbie. This pink dress was slightly larger than some of the other dresses, like this blue one, so let's try it on. It's a great fit on a classic Barbie. However, I would suggest taking care with the straps since they're made of ribbon they can shred, and it's still a little snug at the bottom. I found a matching blue top from another Amazon fashion pack. This top still has a small gather because I found a hole when I tried to remove it, but I think we still get the idea. I can't get the blue dress on my curvy Barbie, or the gray one, or the tan, but the black dress worked. And I decided not to use the ribbon straps until I have time to put some fabric glue on them. But remember, without the straps, it works great as a skirt as well. I love that I already have matching tops. I was able to get the white dress on, but it was a little bit of a challenge. So the sizes are definitely varying. With the set that I received, and your experience could be different. Just like some people said in the comments that they got an unpixelated Mia. Speaking of Mia, I wonder how her cowgirl hat will look with some of these outfits. Let's add it to this look. I think with a belt, we can totally rock this. I saw something similar on Pinterest, but it was in black. Oh wait, we have a black outfit. Yes, cowgirl summer. Here's the tan on a classic Barbie with the matching top, and here's the gray. I love having pieces that we can mix and match. Literally one of the reasons why I love Elite Doll World on Etsy. Because when new items are launched, like these pencil skirts, I can just buy them and know that they will match the other items I have already bought from this shop, allowing me to expand my wardrobe. Speaking of an expanding wardrobe, I picked up these fashion packs at Target. They're for Ken, and we do have some new packaging here. I want to say they were around $5.99 each. I love this one because it totally reminds me of Alan. I put Diego from RBD on Ken's body from Barbie the movie. It's a perfect match, or at least near perfect. He is modeling this fashion pack for us today. We get a striped collared shirt with no closure in the front, red shorts with an elastic waistband. The shorts feel like they're made out of a t-shirt material, and they are hemmed at the bottom. We also get a pair of blue sandals. The shorts and the top can fit a buff Ken, but how does it look on a slim Ken? This is Barbie Fashionista number 227, which is another inspired doll celebrating Barbie's 65th. Along with this one, I bought these dolls on Amazon for $10.99. Barbie Fashionista number 223, inspired by Totally Hair Barbie, and 227 is inspired by Totally Hair Ken. I would have gotten these two dolls for that multicolored print alone. I think the Barbie is very close to the inspiration, and I like that it is. She has crimped hair, triangle earrings, and pink shoes. She is shiny and pixelated, but I think this look was translated very well into a fashionista. Totally Hair Ken is definitely delivering on the hair. This inspired doll has sculpted hair. It's dark brown. He also has some facial hair. It's painted on. He has brown eyes and a toothy smile. This is a slim Ken, so he's a little shorter. He comes wearing a sleeveless hoodie, purple shorts with an elastic waistband, and white shoes. The shorts are a little small for a classic Ken, but they can fit a Barbie, but a classic Ken can fit the hoodie. The slim Ken can fit the fashion pack. Let's try the other one. This one is a sleeveless tie-dye shirt with matching pants and a plastic silver watch. Here it is on a slim Ken. He definitely has a lot of room, but the pattern does go all the way around. The top can fit a buff Ken, but the pants cannot. Well, for me, they can't, but it's an easy fit on a classic Ken. I like that we're getting pants with this set and that the pattern goes all the way around. Since I have entered my cowgirl summer phase, I had to pick up a few more of these fashion packs. It was at Walmart for a little over $5. This one has been out for a while, so you might already have it in your collection. We have a white and black top with a cow print, a pink and black top with a cow print, a green and black bag with a cow print, and purple and black boots with a cow print. Wow, that's a lot of different colors, but I do like the vibe. And if we're looking for a cowgirl summer look, well, there you go. In the comments, one of you wanted to know what this outfit would look like with Mia's pink cowgirl hat. I think it totally works. Honestly, I would not mind seeing more cowgirl hats in the doll world. Speaking of, Neon Cowboys sent us a few keychains for the dollhouse. Neon Cowboys specializes in light-up accessories and apparel, and they make life-size hats that have neon lights. And these are bottle opener keychains that glow in the dark. They do have the little bottle opener underneath. Even if we remove it, I think it's a little small for the dolls. But I just love that it's a mini and glows in the dark. We have purple, a clear glitter, blue, green, and pink. We can remove the hardware and use them as decor, or even as a prop for a photo shoot. I added some Barbie glasses. Is it too much? In the comments, many of you have said, Toya, my mini baby can fit LOL Surprise fashion. So when I saw this LOL Surprise fashion pack at Walmart, I thought, let's give it a try. This is the winter style fashion pack with mix and match accessories, 10 surprises, and I think it was around $4 or $5. But I'm mainly interested in this little outfit right here. I have my mini baby right here. We gave this one eyelashes in this video, but let's see if it can fit this outfit. These aren't fabric clothes, but if it looks good, then I'm good with it. Let's just open the back and place the little baby inside. Oh wow, it's kind of like putting the baby in a mech suit. It doesn't close all the way in the back, and I would be concerned that if I kept the baby in this for a long period of time, it might leave indents in the baby's body. Let's turn the little baby around so we can see how it looks. It does have a little tummy, like it just finished a large bottle, but it's definitely cute. Let's try the little shoes. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. They stay on pretty good. You might lose a shoe throughout the day, but that only adds to the realism. And my mini baby clothes, or the little hats, aren't fabric, so yeah, why not? Let's try this dress. We didn't have to stretch out the baby's arms to get it to fit, and it just about closes in the back. I think this little yellow dress from the Slumber Party style set is going to be adorable. And we get a cute little stuffed animal for the nursery. I do have to be careful when dressing the little baby, but oh my goodness, whoever suggested this, you're a genius. Because this right here is adorable. And I am now going to search through all my LOL Surprise clothes to find baby outfits. Do you see the shoes? They have little bunnies. I'm finding that taller shoes work better for me than the shorter shoes. There is a shirt and shorts. Take care. Excessive pulling on the My Mini Baby can cause it to possibly lose limbs. But this here is a yes for me. These shorts don't open up, so they were a little tricky to get on. However, they fit just fine with a diaper. Might be a little easier if you remove the diaper, but then they might be a little loose. But I don't know for sure because I didn't try. Just the t-shirt and a diaper. But this one was the easiest to get on, so I'm probably going to try to find more things like this. Great idea, you all. Love it. I finally found the Naturalistas nighttime routine. It was at Walmart for around $10. Naturalistas are a 1/6 scale doll. I repainted this one and put it on a made-to-move body. This fashion pack comes with a pink nightgown. It has Velcro going down the front, which makes it a little stiff. But it has cute little cuffs on the arms. And check out the detail on that collar. Oh my goodness, looks good on both sides. It's an easy fit on a classic made-to-move Barbie body. However, the shoes are a little large because Naturalistas have larger feet. There's a Naturalistas sleeping mask that is made like glasses, which is a great idea. So we don't have to worry if our dolls have a lot of hair. It fits just fine. And if it's a Barbie, we get a bonnet with a drawstring, allowing it to open up so we can place the doll's hair inside. Then we pull the drawstring to tighten it and find a way to secure it. I'm finding that the bonnet has more than enough space for dolls with a lot of hair. And even though the front of the nightgown is a little stiff from the Velcro, my doll has no problem sitting down. We get a plastic Naturalistas pillow. I definitely have feelings about plastic pillows, but I like that everything is on theme. While I was at Walmart, I also picked up Monster High, Monster Fest, Cleo Denial. This doll was about $25, and the story is that Frankie, Claudine, Cleo, and Laguna have scored tickets to Monster Fest, the most electrifying music festival of the year. Cleo is fully articulated. She has long blue hair with gold tinsel. There it is. She wears a headband with painted details, has green earrings that are removable. Oh yeah, in this Barbie Fashionistas, earrings are removable. I forgot to say that. Her face screening is nice. She wears a gold top with large crimped sleeves and fringe on the ends. And that's like actual fringe. Monster High has the details. There's a necklace with painted details, a large gold belt with a purse or hip bag or belt bag, and that little pyramid kind of reminds me of Prada. She wears leggings with sewn-on ribbon details. There are little ribbons tied at the bottom, and she has shoes that match her earrings with gold painted heels. She comes with a purse with printed details, a camera with a painted lens, a plastic concert ticket that says Monster Fest, an orange wristband for the concert, and a bracelet. At first, I thought this was a torch, but it might be a treat. She has a cup with a straw that is removable, and a pair of glasses that look like wings. As a Cleo collector, this was a must-have for me. Thank you for joining us for this doll haul. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.